Hey, this is just a super little quick update. I've added compatibility to like Mongoose Traveler Second Edition. And while I was in here, I've done a little bit of cleaning up to some relationship tracker stuff. But custom categories for the inventory were mostly there. It's going to be in this version, which is dropping 5.04. So if we jump on to our economy here, and then we can go and say here, use asset librarian category tag. We'll turn that on. So over here in asset librarian, if you've got this installed, you can go and like set up category tags pretty easily. So we'll go edit. This is just like part of the tagging system. So we can go select those, edit those, and we'll set them all to have this category tag, which is kind of part of Asset Librarian. It lets you kind of jump through categories quite easily. So that's done for those. And then you can also choose a category path. So if your system uses something quite different, you can put something in there. But we'll put in, I think system rarity is D&D 5Es for that. So you can have them both. And if we'll click Save Changes and then reopen our new entry, you'll see we've got here asset rings. I wonder if any of these have got a rarity on them. Here we go. So we've got the asset rings, which are our custom category that we've got. And then you can see here our system rarity has come through. Got, legendary, rare, uncommon, and very rare. And you'll note that we still have got some items that are not in our rarity or custom category. So the way it works is you have got your asset librarian tags. That's the first lot that gets put into a group. And then I'll go through what you've set up as your inventory category path override. And then it will like resolve all of that. And then it will go to the default of item type, and then resolve all of that. And then if there's nothing left, if there's things left over, it will just get put into the general category. So, you can get reasonably granular on how you want this to be categorized now. So a small step towards complete customization of this, but we'll see how far we go. Thanks.